Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of 15th block, which is length. Isn't it, children? So, we have learned how to draw the line segment for the given length, how to convert the centimeters to meters to centimeters, and how to convert meters to kilometers and kilometers to meters, and also how to convert kilometers to centimeters. Isn't it, children? We have completed with three topics. Now, today, in the fourth topic, we are going to solve the problems. That means there might be word problems which includes addition, subtraction, multiplication and also division, or some lengths they have given in meters and centimeters. We have to add them or subtract them according to the question. Okay, children? So let's see the sums here. Sunny walks to his school every morning, which is 500 meters from his house. He walks the same distance to get back home. How many kilometers do he walk in a day? That means from home to school it is 500 meters. And again, school to home it is 500 meters. School to home, home to school. Okay, both are 500 meters. First, we need to add 500 meters two times because it is from home to school and again coming back from school to home. So add it and then you have to convert into kilometers. Why we are converting into kilometers? Because in the question they have asked how many kilometers does he walk, isn't it, children? So if you doesn't have a he walks the same distance, what is the distance he travels means you can write it in the meters itself, but here they asked kilometers, then you have to convert into kilometers and you have to say it. Okay, so for this, children, first let's write the, it's like a word problem, story problem, isn't it, children? So let's write the steps for here. So the distance from school, from home to school, first it is home to school, so 500 meters. Now it is from school to home, so the again you will write distance from school to home is equal to 500 meters. Okay, then total distance, what it is, distance from school, home to school, and plus distance from school to home, that is 500 meters plus 500 meters. So 500 plus 500 will give us 1000 meters, isn't it, children? So here you can directly write because it's a round numbers, isn't it? If you are unable to write it, children, unable to add it, use your working column, write 500 plus 500, add ones place, tens place, hundreds place, then also you will get 1000. Okay, you can use your working column here also. Okay, children, so 1000 meters, so 1000 meters, 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer, isn't it, children? The standard form we have 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, so you can directly write it as 1 kilometer. Okay, so Sunny walks, total distance Sunny walks in a day is 1 kilometer. Okay, children, so next, Ria bought 3 meters of dress material. From this material, she cut two pieces, one of 140 centimeters and the other of 75 centimeters. How much material is left with Ria? So this is a multi-step problem, isn't it, children? Total length of the material is 3 meters. Yes, so in that she cut two pieces, which is 140 centimeters one and 75 centimeters. Now he is asking how much did she cut altogether? No, he is asking how much is left out. That means first you have to find out how much she cutted the cloth together, 140 plus 75, then you have to subtract from 3 meters. Okay, then you will get how much material is left out with her, which is a multi-step problem. So first let's find out how much she actually cut the cloth together. Okay, so length of the cloth is 3 meters. So the piece which here, children, the two pieces are in centimeters, isn't it, children? They are not in meters, they are in centimeters. So that's why the length of the cloth, let's convert into centimeters first. 3 meters to centimeters, which gives us 300 centimeters. 3 into 100 centimeters will give us 300 centimeters. Why? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and we need to multiply when we are converting higher unit to the lower unit, isn't it, children? So we have to multiply and we have to write it down. Now length of the first piece is equal to 140 centimeters and length of the second piece is equal to 75 centimeters. Now altogether how much? Length of first piece plus length of second piece, which is 140 plus 75. Here also, children, actually you got habituated of doing the additions directly. If you are unable to do it in your rough column. Okay, make it as ones, tens, hundreds and 75. Ones and tens place, then you can add and then you can write. But you should start doing these horizontal addition also, because multi-step problems, right, you have to do directly now. Okay, try to practice that more. Okay, children, so when you add you will get 215 centimeters. Okay, so this you have to subtract from 3 meters, which is 300 centimeters, isn't it, children? So what you will write? Length of material left is equal to length of the cloth, which is 300 centimeters, minus total length of two pieces, that is 215. So this, after subtracting, you can get 85 centimeters. Okay, here you can directly write like this, or else do it in your working column, rough column. 300 to 215, subtract it and you can write it down. Okay, finally what you will write? So length of material left is equal to 85 centimeters. Okay, children. So next, so add 5 meters, 40 centimeters, 12 meters, 80 centimeters, 9 meters, 85 centimeters and 8 meters. So here they have given in the combination of meters and centimeters. So if it is in the same units, centimeters and centimeters, meters and meters, then we can directly add it and write it. But here they have given the combination of meters and centimeters, isn't it, children? So here what we'll do is we will make the columns as meters and centimeters, and in that you will have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands places. Okay, like this. So meters and centimeters. So the first one is 5 meters, 40 centimeters. So under meters you will write 5 and under centimeters you will write 40, 40, 40. Okay, next. 12 meters, 80 centimeters. So in meters also you have ones and tens, and in centimeters also ones and tens. So under 12, under meters you have to write 12, where under 5 you will write 2 in 12 and 1 will be in the tens place of meters. Okay, in centimeters 0 is in ones place, 8 under tens. For 5 meters 40 centimeters, 4 is in tens place, 0 is in ones place. Okay, next coming to 9 meters 85 centimeters. Now 9 will be under 2 because it is only one digit, isn't it? So you will write 9 and 85 centimeters, 18 in tens column in centimeters and 5 is in ones column in centimeters. Okay, next you have only 8 meters. You don't have any centimeters. So in ones place, and 8 is single digit, right? So in ones place you will write 8 like this, and in centimeters you will put 0 0 because you don't have any centimeters here. So you'll put 0 0. And what is the question? Is it addition or subtraction? Addition, right? So you'll put plus. And in centimeters, you'll start from ones place. Okay, after completely solving the centimeters, then you will go to the meters, because meters is higher number, isn't it, children? It is highest unit. So that's why we'll start with ones place of centimeters. So in ones place of centimeters you have 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 0, so that becomes 5. Okay, now tens place of centimeters, 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 will give us 12. 12 plus 8 give us 20. So 20, 2, 0. 2 and 0. 20, 2, 0, 20, right? So 0 you will write under the tens of centimeters, and 2 you will carry 2 meters. Okay, 2 you have to carry 2 meters. Now 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 8, 26. So 6 you will write it down and 2 you will carry. Now here in tens place in meters, 2 plus 1 will give us 3, 36. So here the answer is 36 meters 5 centimeters. Okay, so you can simply write it as 5 meters 40 centimeters plus 12 meters 80 centimeters plus 9 meters 85 centimeters plus 8 meters is equal to 36 meters and 5 centimeters. Okay, so in this way you need to add the length when the units are different. Okay, higher and lower units they have given meters and centimeters or kilometers or meters. If they have given in that way, you have to make columns and you have to write like this and add it. Okay children, next, how much is 18 meters divided into 6 equal parts? So here children, divided into 6 equal parts, that means you need to divide, that means you need to do division here. Okay, so how first let's write the statements as it is a story problem. So length is equal to 18 meters and number of equal parts is 6. So how you can get 18 divided by 6, that is length of each piece will be equal to length divided by number of pieces. Okay, now 18 divided by 6. So you know how to do the division, isn't it children? Already we have learned 6 becomes your divisor, 18 becomes your dividend, and first digit is 1 which is less than 6. So you have to take 2 digits which becomes 18. Now check whether we have 18 is there in 6 or not. Yes, it is there, isn't it? So where 6 threes are 18. So you will write 3 in the quotient place, 18, and then you need to subtract 18 minus 18 will give us 0. Okay. So the length of each piece will be 3 meters. Okay children. So finally what you will write, length of each piece is equal to 3 meters. So as the remainder is 0, there is no left out cloth. Okay, completely is equally divided. Okay, if remainder has some number, that means it is not equally reminded, some part of the cloth will be remained undivided, undistributed. Okay children, so these sums write it in your classwork. Coming to your homework, I have given few more sums which are addition sums of of meters and centimeters and kilometers, addition and also subtraction. So do it in your homework book children. Tomorrow there are 3 more sums, we will do it in the classwork, and homework would be the S4 volume book. Okay, so see you in the next class children. Bye.